Did you know that Valentine's Day is around the corner? Like, we're talking a couple weeks away. Now is the time to be prepping for that special someone or your gals or your family, whoever you like to celebrate Valentine's with, and getting ready to show them how much you love them. So today I am going to be restoring this beautiful vintage Italian leather jewelry box. It's absolutely stunning. I actually was offering it in my shop for a few months and there were no takers. So the more I looked at it, the more I realized that I think I wanted it. So for now, it's not available. I change my mind a lot, so there's a chance that it will become available again. But for now, it's going to be mine because it's going to be the perfect way to gently store my jewelry. Right now, they're in another beautiful vintage jewelry box, but they're all kind of just on top of each other, where this one has some more organization and a beautiful suede interior. However, this jewelry box has been through it. It's been through it. So it needs some TLC. My best friend Brandy is actually the leather expert, and she gave me all of her tips and products to use to restore leather, and I'm going to try it on this jewelry box. This is my first time ever trying it, but I think I'm going to have fantastic results, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. Then we can do a little styling bit with the jewelry box and my new Ana Luisa jewelry pieces. This video is kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry. They are based in New York and create beautiful timeless pieces that you will wear forever. Ana Luisa offers unmatched quality with designs that are hypoallergenic, water resistant, sustainable, and long lasting. They offer designs that start at just $39. So there really is an option for everybody. Plus, the more that you buy, the more you're going to save. Ana Luisa offers free and very fast shipping within the US and crazy affordable shipping for anywhere else. With Ana Luisa, you have a 2-year warranty on all products, so there is a worry-free guarantee anytime you buy that you will be taken care of if anything were to happen to your pieces. As you know, I've been trying to build up my silver jewelry collection, as I have been very much a gold girl for years, like since high school, and that was a while ago for me. Ana Luisa was kind enough to send me a couple pieces, including these beautiful CZ earrings that are also sterling silver and this gorgeous CZ sterling silver ring. I really wanted the ring to add as an option with my new Aura ring, so it elevates the look just a little bit and gives it more style, especially if I'm going anywhere that is a little bit more dressy. That elevated but yet still understated look. Last year was also, I think, the first time I ever received jewelry for Valentine's Day. Really made the holiday so special. I loved it so much. I highly recommend asking for jewelry for Valentine's if you have someone that you're gifting with, or if you're looking to get somebody a Valentine's gift. I highly recommend jewelry because there's a reason that jewelry is the Valentine's gift, because it's so special. If you were looking for a sign, this is it. Jewelry for Valentine will always be the gift. So needless to say, I love my Ana Luisa pieces, these and those that I already own, and I can't wait to fill this jewelry box with all of my favorite jewelry, be able to just really cherish it properly. Okay, so first up, we need to clean the inside. That's going to take the longest, I think, and we'll have to brush it multiple times, so I want to start with the inside. The inside of this amazing jewelry box has this removable tray. It has these beautiful brass seashell handles on it, and then the divider with the ring organizer in the middle. So to clean the suede, we are going to be using Leather Therapy Wash. So this one is good for suede. There are lots out there that are not. Tried to find one that I could do on suede since that's what the interior is. We're going to lightly spray the suede on the inside of the box and then use the soft shoe brush to buff it in. I'm kind of nervous. I won't lie. I really don't want to ruin this. Start on the bottom just because that's going to be the least visible, and it's just a light spray. So the inside has been sprayed and scrubbed, and we'll have to continue to scrub it throughout the process. But now we're going to work on the outside of the leather, which I think that this is where we're going to see the biggest difference. And I mean, I hope the inside will have a big difference because it does have some staining, but the outside has lots of scratches, and I'm hoping that some of that will smooth and buff out a little bit. So first on the outside, we're going to clean it using saddle soap. This is the sidings, I don't know. Horse girls don't come for me. It is a clean and polish in one step. It looks like this. First, we're going to use a damp sponge. I actually got this in the same section of the Tractor Supply where I got all of my supplies. Except for the brush, we had that. And I'm going to create a lather here on the saddle soap, and we're gonna do it in sections. So I'm gonna start with the interior again because it just has leather along the edges. Is it making the lines worse? Maybe it is. Next, we're going to use the leather CPR. It brings leather back to life and is a cleaner and conditioner. Oh goodness, I hope I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna take my rings off for this one. Let's not risk that. I'm curious to see how these will look in the morning once it's had a chance to soak in. The dark areas became a lot darker than I expected, so I'm hopeful that they'll look good once they've dried. So we'll see. It's been a week, literally, and the box has been sitting and marinating, and I truly hoped that it would eventually look better, but it doesn't. So I feel like it truly looks worse than when I started. The treatments really brought out the darkness of the scratches, and it actually made me realize how bad the scratches are. Also, the suede on the inside does not look better, it looks worse. So this has been a fail. I planned to keep it for myself. I truly wanted to use it for my own jewelry. So we're gonna move forward with that because I planned to sell the jewelry box I've been using. I wanted something with more organization, so I decided to keep this, and then I was gonna sell my beautiful one. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna move forward. And I'm gonna keep an eye out for something similar for myself in the future. But we live and learn. And I have some archival grade book leather conditioner coming in the mail. I probably should have waited and used that instead. I still will, I'll still treat it because it still feels dry to me. I think that that could be beneficial for something like this. I did a lot of watching of videos. I talked to my friend who does a lot of leather treatment. You know, there wasn't anything that said what I was doing was wrong, but there are certain things that just don't react the same or don't need the same treatment as other things. This is one of them. And here's the thing. It was already really damaged and I was just trying to make it better. Did I succeed? No. I still tried. So now we're just going to take a minute and swap the jewelry from this one to this one, organize it nice and pretty, and then go style it on my nightstand. First, I guess we'll just do one of these. Rings, earrings, necklaces. And I have one bracelet. I'm gonna start with the top section just because that's more for the little stuff, and I feel like this is just for the necklaces. Okay, I ruined it, Steve. Rock hard.
It's not so bad here. Maybe right there. You work it a little bit, it might soften up.
We got him in. It was a struggle, but we got there. And then earrings. These are my silver earrings from Ana Luisa, my other silver huggies. I love them, they're so pretty. I've been wearing them nonstop. So there we are with earrings. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the necklaces I don't wear much in the bottom, and then the like two that I do wear up here. This one is from our wedding. That's really the only one I wear. And there we have it. Lovely looking jewelry box that I ruined. Now we're upstairs and we're going to just clean off my nightstand, make it look nice and presentable for the new jewelry box. I don't know what happened to our Swiffer, but I have this, so. That is it for this very informative video. I truly feel like it was an honest mistake that I made with this jewelry box. Now I won't make it again. Be sure to stock up for Ana Luisa jewelry this upcoming Valentine's Day, whether you are shopping for your partner, your galentines, whatever it may be. Ana Luisa jewelry has something perfect for everybody, and a gift from Ana Luisa will never be a mistake. I hope you still enjoyed this video and that we learned something together. I will definitely let you know if I find a replacement or a solution for this current jewelry box. And if you like my old jewelry box, keep an eye out because it will be available in my shop soon. I don't know when my next live sale is going to be, but it will be in that. So either a week from this Sunday or sometime this month probably. So keep an eye out. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.